Awesome Aldo fam, and welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I will show you how to turn this drab dress into a fabulous one. So today I accidentally put together an outfit inspired by Belle. I didn't even notice it until my children pointed it out to me. So I absolutely love it. Obviously, blue and white are a perfect combination. Anywho, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so. I post new sewing project for beginners every Monday and Friday. Don't forget to smash the notification button so you will get notified whenever I release a new one. With that being said, let's go ahead to the tutorial. So the first thing I did was adjust the necklines. So I will be using my mannequin for this, but you don't have to if you don't have one. Basically, I am going to raise up the neckline by lifting up the shoulder seams, and then I will take in the side seams. I'm basically going to pin it from here all the way down to the hemline. I don't want the dress to be fitted. I want it to be a shift dress. I mentioned earlier, you don't need a mannequin for this. You can basically try on the dress wrong side out and then kind of pin it to the right fit that you wanted. Now I am going to trim off the dress just because it was too long. It was a maxi dress. We'll be trimming off about 16 inches off the dress. You can mark it using a pin or a chalk maybe, but I am kind of lazy today. Today is a very lazy Sunday. That's why I am not measuring or marking anything. And when I meant by lazy Sunday, it is because it's storming all weekend, so we couldn't go anywhere. Now it's time to take in the side seams. As you can see, I am just following the markings that I made earlier. I will be taking off 1 inch on the side seams. I'm gonna do a base stitch first just to make sure that I like the fit so I can easily adjust it if necessary. After I was happy with the fit, I went ahead and sewed the shoulder seams and the side seams. And then I'll go ahead and trim off the excess fabrics. Now it's time to work on the ruffles. I will be using the fabric that I trimmed off from the dress earlier. So I am going to cut open one side seam. And then I'll go ahead and cut it lengthwise. So I will have 2 pieces of long strips of fabrics. And then I'll go ahead and sew the side seams, and I am going to gather it. I'm simply going to gather the ruffle, and I am making sure that it will match the hemline of the dress. Be sure to distribute the gathers evenly so it will look nicer. So now it's time to sew it on the dress. I am going to match the right sides of the fabrics together and then pin it all the way around. Actually use clips instead of pins just because the fabric was a little thick. I was having a hard time pinning it. So anyway, I am going to go ahead and sew it all the way around. I am taking my time just because I don't want the gathers to move. Now all I have to do is hem the ruffle and the dress is done. So that's it, you guys, and thank you so much for staying with me the whole entire video. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and share this video if you find it helpful. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Happy sewing, everybody. Bye!